Hey everybody, it's Steve and nephew Chad here today at beautiful 13 Capilano Court in Northeast Barrie.
Great little location. This is actually a Gregor home, purpose 2-unit property. You have 2 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down. Perfect for your in-laws or storing your kids in the basement, whatever you would like.
Yeah, it's like the kids in the basement actually.
Absolutely.
Let's go check it out. Folks, you're gonna love this main floor open concept plan here. We got easy care floor here, both in the kitchen and in the living dining room area. 2 spacious bedrooms and a nice bath. See for yourself.
Downstairs in the basement now, or the lower unit, you got a separate entrance, shared laundry, lots of natural light, and 2 awesome sized bedrooms. Take a look.
You know, we can't talk enough about location in our real estate dealings here, but this 13 Capilano Court is a fabulous spot with just 2 minutes to the Barrie Golf and Country Club. We got the Zares Plaza just over here with the new Cineplex, terrific restaurants, liquor store. You got it all over there, Chad.
Absolutely true. Truly one of my favorite spots in Barrie. For more information on this property and more like,
Check out our website.